This Caterpillar 2160658 ECM unit came to us from a customer with a DED 400 series backhoe loader. We fully broke down this unit, and after a full refurbishment, we attached the new rebuilt ECM to our engine simulator, which is shown in the video. This simulator allows us to run the module as if it was installed in the actual loader, so we can monitor and verify that it is operating correctly. The advantage of the ERD simulator repair is that we leave intact any program so that the module can be dropped right into its original equipment and operate correctly. This unit is an auxiliary module, which will prevent the engine from running if certain safety conditions are not met. At ERD, we have the capability to reverse engineer and repair all types of ECU and ECM units from a broad range of Caterpillar units and other large equipment manufacturers. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.